Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so in this video, it's going to be a little different than my usual. I know you come to this channel probably for your makeup tutorials and reviews, but I finally got my hands on a product that I really have been wanting to try. And that is this little box here. It is the Brow Lamination. And it's kind of like a relaxer for the brow. And my brow hairs, I mean, they're sparse, and that's why my brows are microbladed, but they actually are a lot coarser and curlier, so I have to use products on them so that they lay down like a stronger wax. And yeah, I kind of want to try this lamination kit just to see if it'll help smooth out my brows. The videos I've seen, the reviews I've seen, everyone says that it's very beneficial. So I want to try it today on camera with you guys. Maybe you can go out and purchase your own if we're successful. Hopefully my brows won't fall out. Lord, please. And you know, the goal of this is so that my brow hair lays down like my baby hair. You want to see how that works? Keep watching. Alright, so the kit that I purchased, it came with everything needed, with the exception of a few items that I found in my bathroom or kitchen. So step one, I'm going to use the provided little cleanser to remove any oil from my skin. I want to make sure I remove anything from the brow before we put any solution on it. So next, I'm going to apply the provided lift solution with this little microfiber brush. And I'm going to apply that thoroughly throughout the brow hairs, and then I'll let it sit. This solution has a strong chemical smell, so I'm sure this is part of the straightening process. So then I'll take my handy dandy cling wrap from the kitchen, and I'm going to tear off a piece, per the instructions of course. I'm going to apply this over the brow. And it says to let this set for 8 to 13 minutes. So I think I'll do 10. Alright, so I'll let this sit and I'll be right back. Alright, so now the 10 minutes are up. I'm going to remove the plastic wrap. And I'm going to use this just little cotton round to wipe away the solution, per the instructions. So my brow hairs are definitely softened after that second step. So now I'm going to use this fixation second step with another microfiber applicator. I'm going to apply this also to the brow hair, but now I have to apply it and also swipe the brow hairs in the direction I want them to lay in. This product does not have that strong chemical smell, so I feel like we're getting closer to the end of the application, or the process rather. So I've applied a generous amount of this second solution. I'm going to take one of the provided spoolies and comb these hairs up, because that's the direction I want them to lay. So now I'm going to take more of my handy dandy cling wrap and apply this to the brow again for 10 minutes. So now our 10 minutes are up for this solution. I'm going to remove plastic wrap, and I'm going to take another dry cotton round, and I'm going to remove that solution. And the directions say to ensure to swipe in the same direction as you did the prior solutions, which makes sense because you want to always kind of swipe in the direction you want the hair to lay. Now I will say the hair looks smooth, but my face is a little sensitive, it's a little irritated, it's a little tender, I can feel it. So those of you that use stronger skincare like I do, like prescription grade retin-A or retinols, or you know, stronger things on your skin, buyer beware. But it's okay, my skin is still intact, my skin is not red, it's just irritated to touch. Alright, so then the very last step says use the mascara brush to apply the nutrition solution number 3. So that'll be this bottle here. And the mascara brushes, or the little spoolies, were provided. So I'm gonna dip it in. So I'm just combing that nutrition solution in, aka neutralizer. I'm sure it's calming the hair and the skin and just balancing out the pH, just like you would during a relaxer on your hair. And yeah, actually my skin is feeling a lot more calm just from applying that. So the last thing that the instructions do point out is to not get your brows wet for 24 hours. That's gonna be kind of hard for me since I wash my face twice a day, but we'll figure something out. But the last thing I'm gonna do during this process is just trim and tweeze the brow so that I can clean up the hair around it. I didn't want to do that before applying these chemicals just because I didn't want my skin to be open, just in case I nicked myself, or you know, pulling the hair from the root, your skin will be pretty open. So yeah, I mean, so far the results look good. So now I'm gonna just brush through them and compare, do a side by side from before and after. So this is the final look, or brow rather. So I think it was definitely a good deal, a great purchase. My brows are still intact. They are smooth, they are straightened. I did not have to use any wax or gel on them, so I really am enjoying having them stay in place on their own. And yeah, I just wanted you to see how they look with the full face, so I just threw this makeup on real quick. And let me know what you think in the comment box below. If you've tried anything similar or you plan to try it in the future, don't be scared. You see, I bought it and did it on camera. I mean, my brows could have fell out right here in front of everybody, and I was willing to take the risk. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you next time. Peace.